Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me, Kurt Ganch. I'm here again with a great video. In this video, I'm super excited because we're going to be talking about summertime. That's right, we're going to be talking about all the cool summertime activities, things we all love to do during the summer. But we're going to be talking about credit cards. What are some of the best credit cards you should have this summer? If we're talking about traveling, if you're going to be doing some traveling this summer, I would highly recommend the American Express Platinum card. I love the American Express brand. I also do have the Platinum card, and I can testify and I could be one to at least speak on it, the benefits and perks that it does have. It's phenomenal. I would say for anybody who's looking to do traveling for the summer, or if you're just an avid traveler in general, the Platinum card is definitely my go-to for all my travel experiences, all my travel needs. That's definitely the card that you should have for the summer, especially if you don't have it already. If you do sign up now for the American Express Platinum card, American Express is giving a welcome offer of 100,000 membership reward points. That's a great welcome offer. Again, for people who love to travel, I think this is the best card to have in general, but it's also really good to have during the summertime. Not to mention, you do also get a $200 airline fee credit, as well as a $200 hotel credit that you could apply again if you have any upcoming trips, or if you're just looking to do any traveling in general. You could apply that, you could use that. That's my go-to card when it comes to traveling. All right, guys, so next on the list is the Apple card. Now, I'm a huge fan of the Apple brand. I pretty much have everything. All my technology is Apple, from my laptop, my cell phone, my AirPods. Now I also have the credit card. I think it was only fit that I got the credit card, being that I'm such a fan of the brand. I do have brand loyalty towards Apple, and I love the Apple card. What I like about the card, and what I think it's really going to help a lot of people, especially if you're looking to use it for your summertime activities, is the fact that the everyday use, you get 2% cash back, and that's 2% unlimited cash back when using the Apple card. And that's on any item, anything you shop on, you shop for, you're gonna get 2% cash back. Now, if you're shopping for Apple products, you're gonna get 3% cash back. What I also really love about the Apple card is the fact that compared to the American Express Platinum card with a $695 annual fee, the Apple card has no annual fee. It has no annual fee, no hidden fees actually, and no foreign transaction fees. So you get a little bit of wiggle room there with the Apple card. The fact that you have no hidden fees, you have no annual fees, that's going to help a lot of people save money as well. Not to mention, with the Apple card, there are certain merchants and vendors that Apple work with where you're also going to get 3% cash back when you spend there. So the Apple card is super convenient for everyday use, in my opinion. It's my go-to card for my everyday expenses. Not to mention, the card has a really cool, sleek, and unique look. It's all white with your first and last name printed on there, and it has that famous apple on there with the big bite on it. What I also really like about this Apple card is the fact that you can purchase Apple products on apple.com, and you can pay for these products over time, interest-free, basically monthly installments. So that's a feature that's pretty unique to the Apple card. Obviously, if you're buying Apple products, you get the ability, you get the option to pay for them over time, interest-free, basically monthly installments. So that's pretty cool. That's unique. That's something that's exclusive to this card. And I think that's a really cool feature that's also going to help a lot of people. Next on the list is the American Express Gold card. Again, guys, I'm a big fan of the American Express brand. What I love about American Express is the welcome offers. So if you don't already have an American Express Gold card, now would be a great time to apply, because you would be getting a 60,000 membership reward points bonus offer once approved for the Gold card. Now, why I think the Gold card is definitely a must-have for the summer is the fact that, again, just like the Apple card, the American Express Gold card, it's great for everyday use. For dining, shopping at grocery stores, or just shopping in general, the American Express Gold card, it's excellent for everyday use. With this card, you're going to be getting 4 times the points back on dining. So if you're somebody like me, you love to eat out, you love to go to new restaurants, try new food spots, or maybe you're just big on having food delivered to your house. I'm also big on that as well. But that being said, I think I should take some cooking classes for the summer, speaking of summer. But no, guys, the American Express card, all jokes aside, the American Express Gold card, it's definitely a really good everyday use card. So if you're big on getting cash back, being rewarded for your spending, but Discover Cashback Reward Card is definitely a card you should have for the summer. It's definitely a card you should just have in general, especially if you're big on cash back. With the Discover Cashback credit card, you do not have an expiration date on your cashback rewards. So that's a big game changer, and I think that's something that's really valuable. And again, that's why I think that this Discover Cashback credit card is a credit card that you definitely want to have for the summer. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. So these are my list of credit cards that you should definitely have for the summer. These credit cards are definitely going to help take your summer to the next level and help you enjoy your summer even more. And please, if you don't already have one of these cards, make sure you apply for at least one or two. This is really going to help you enjoy your summer and make the most out of it, and more importantly, stretch your dollar. So guys, until the next time, it's me, Kurt Pancham. Once again, hope everybody enjoys their summer. Hope everybody's looking forward to summer, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.